Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today's topic is about horse gram. What is this horse gram? This is also called as Kulatta in Sanskrit. This is having the property of Ushnavirya and dryness in nature. It's mainly having Kashaya Rasa. So due to this Kashaya Rasa, it's having the property of Kapha Vata Shamaka. Kapha Vata ka Shamaka means it will help us to decrease the Kapha related and Vata related problems. For example, in Kapha related diseases, cough, cold, asthma or respiratory related some diseases can be decreased by using this Kulatta. Like that only, if you are having any problem with this Vata dosha, if you are having swelling or like that or pain or something, you can apply the paste of this horse gram and it will help us to reduce the inflammation of our body. And it helps to it also increases the pitta dosha. So if you're having any issues with pitta or rakta diseases, then you can avoid this Kulatta, means this horse gram. And it also helps us to decrease the cholesterol, or it will help us mainly in for the decreasing the LDL level and for increasing the HDL level. I think this is a major issue for many of our patients. In the blood reports, they will be saying that your LDL is very high, which should be very low, and your HDL is very low, which should be very high. So for treating this condition, it helps us very lot. Like that only, for the problems of a kidney stone, in this case also, if the patient is having any kidney stone related issue, those people will get recurrence in their kidney stone issues. So for prevention of these kidney stone problems, we can use this horse gram weekly once or twice in our regular diet. This is the best option for the these kidney stone related problems. Like that only, if we want to decrease our weight or obesity in our body, we can use this Kulatta very much. And in Tamil also, it is some saying is there, if the person is very much lean, then they can give given this sesame seeds, and if the person is a little bit obese, then they should be given this kollu. Kollu means this one only, horse gram only, Kulatta only. So by giving this, the person will get the energy like horse. Okay, horse, and it will be getting that much energy, and it will not get any obesity. They will not get any obesity in their body. Next, we will go to the detailed description. So if we are using this paste also, it will help us to decrease the inflammation in our body, and like that only, it helps to open up the pores, sweating pores in our body. So it is very helpful for decreasing the inflammation in our body. Like that only. Next is for urine related problems or urinary bladder related problems. And if someone is facing some issues with intestinal worms, it helps very much in the for reducing the worms issues and all. For like that only, in the patients is having any piles related issues or constipation related issues, then they can go with this horse gram in weekly once or twice in their diet. But if the patient is having bleeding piles, then they can avoid this use of horse gram, because if any bleeding is there from our any part of our body, then they can avoid the horse gram using for temporary basis. Okay. And next is, it is actually Vatanulomana. Vatanulomana means in our body, for the free flow movement of Vata, this horse gram will be helping very much. And it is also having the property of Sara. Sara means in our body, while some channels, 13 channels are there. So in those channels, for the passing of free flow of liquids, this horse gram will help much. Like that only, if you are having any problem, if ladies are having any problem with their menses, but not in heavy bleeding condition, if the patient is having scanty bleeding or delayed periods, then they can use this horse gram. But if they are having so much heavy bleeding or any issues like in the uterus and all, then they can avoid this horse gram. But if they are not getting normal bleeding, then they can use. Generally 3 to 5 days is a normal bleeding time during the periods, but some people may having the problem and they are having getting only maybe delayed periods, or they will get only 1 to 2 days bleeding, and also for them also you can use this horse gram in their diet. You can include this horse gram in your diet. For the respiratory conditions also I have explained earlier, and for the PNSA condition, rhinitis conditions also you can use. For the obesity condition also it's also mentioned already. And for the eyes also this is very much helpful. For the power of eyes and all also it will be very helpful. It's having the calcium also in this, so it is good for bones and all. Sorry, it is also helpful for the heart also, and for ulcer healing also it will be helpful. And it contains special type of carbohydrates called as raphinols. So I think too much of using this horse gram will affect your digestive system. So you should use in a smaller quantity. That's good. If you are using in a limited quantity, it will be very helpful for your body. And it is a diuretic. If you are having any urine problems, you can use this one. And it gives warmth for our body, so you can use in the not normal, in this season also, cold season also, very well. Next is, what are all the ingredients in this? It contains profinols, flavonoids, carbohydrates, proteins, phosphorus, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, amino acids, etc. So it is very rich in all these things. You can use wisely, because if you are having a pitta prakriti or rakta related diseases are there, then you can avoid this one. Like that if you are having some problem with the digestive issues, then also you can avoid. And who should avoid this one? That is very important. If you're having any hyperacidity problem, then you can avoid this. Any shukrahara problems, if you're having any problem with this one shukranu, sperm count is less, then you can avoid this this one horse gram. And if you're having any bleeding issues also, then you can avoid. And if you're having any peptic ulcer or some ulcer problem, you can avoid this. Like that only in gouty arthritis condition also you can avoid this. And if you're using any shilajit for a continuous period, then you can avoid this one. So these are the things. And which all Ayurvedic medicines contain this horse gram, mainly Dhanvantram Ghrutam, this one Sukhaprasav Ghrutam, etc. So many medicines are there, but for external application also this one Kolagulatadi Churnam we will be giving. So that is also this is the main ingredient. And in which all forms we can use this? We can make some rasam preparations and some dry sabjis, or just you can prepare some chutneys, or in a sprouted form you can use this. And just you can boil and you can add some spices and you can take this one. And you can use this boiled water also. It will also help you to decrease the weight, obesity, excess fat in your body. So these are all the things about this horse gram. So if you are having any doubt related to this topic or any health topic related health topics, you can just put a comment below this video. I will try to answer those questions, and I can prepare videos what you want about this health related videos. Okay, so these all are the things. And if you are feeling that this video is beneficial, then you can share and okay, subscribe also. That's your wish, no problem. So these are the things about horse gram. So let us see in our next video. Thank you.